How to download and install IMO app on iPhone. Looking for a way to make free calls and chat with friends? This guide shows you how to download and install the IMO app on your iPhone so you can connect with people all over the world. First, go to the App Store on your iPhone. You can find it on your home screen or by using the search bar. Once you're in the App Store, tap on the Search tab at the bottom right of the screen. In the search bar, tap IMO. IMO. The official IMO app should appear at the top of the search results. Look for the app with the IMO logo, with the white letter I on a blue background. Tap on the app to go to its page. On the app's page, tap on the Get button. To download it, you may need to use a Face ID, Touch ID or Apple ID password to confirm the download. Once the app is downloaded, it will be automatically installed on your iPhone. You now know how to download and install the IMO app. Get ready to start chatting. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips.